Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to create budgets in QuickBooks Online. If you've ever wondered how to plan your finances, track your spending, and compare your actual results against your goals, then you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up a budget that works for your business. Let's dive in. First, let's access the budgeting tools inside QuickBooks Online. On your dashboard, click the Settings gear icon in the top right corner. From the menu, select Budgeting. This will take you to the Budgets page, where all of your existing budgets are stored. Next, let's create a new one. On the Budgets page, click the Create New button. QuickBooks will now walk you through a setup process. Here's where you'll make a few important choices. Start with the budget type. You can select either a profit and loss budget, which is the most common and focuses on income and expenses, or a balance sheet budget if you want to plan around assets, liabilities, and equity. Then choose the fiscal year that this budget will cover. After that, pick your budget format. Do you want to plan monthly, quarterly, or yearly? This choice really depends on how closely you want to monitor your numbers. Monthly is great if you want detailed control, while yearly gives you a bigger picture. QuickBooks also lets you decide if you want your budget to be consolidated, meaning for the entire company, or subdivided by things like customers, classes, or locations. If you want to track budgets for specific areas of your business separately, subdividing is a great option. Now it's time to enter your budget data. You've got a few different ways to do this. You can manually type in your amounts for each account, or if you have data from a previous year, use the pre-fill data option to copy it into your new budget as a starting point. And if you're using QuickBooks Online Advanced, there's an even faster method. You can use the Spreadsheet Sync add-in to build and sync your budget directly from Excel. Once you've entered your numbers, just hit Save and Close, and your budget is ready to go. So what happens next? After creating your budget, you can always come back to the Budgets page to view, edit, duplicate, or even delete it. One of the most powerful tools you'll want to use is the Budgets versus Actuals report. This report compares the numbers you planned with your actual income and expenses, giving you insight into how your business is performing against your goals, and that's it. You've just learned how to create a budget in QuickBooks Online. With this feature, you'll have a much clearer view of your finances, and it'll help you make better business decisions throughout the year. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more QuickBooks tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Until next time, keep your business on track, and I'll see you in the next video.